Women's rights are human rights. Human rights are women's rights. We can't save the world until the world is equal. This is more than a hashtag. Let's rethink our words. Replace negative with positive. Not bossy, but self-confident. Not blunt, but independent. Not emotional, but powerful. Not stubborn, but successful. We are the young people of Wales, standing with our sisters around the world. Coronavirus has stopped the clock. Let's use the new normal to create a better future. A future where every girl is educated. A future of confident women. An equal future for all, in countryside and cities from east to west, north and south. We are today's students and pupils. We are tomorrow's leaders and pioneers. Together we'll smash the glass ceiling. We'll follow our dreams and pave the way for the next generation. This is more than a hashtag. This is your call to stand with every woman and girl. He for she and them with us. There's no stopping us together.